In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy one Wix website page to another Wix website. Whether you're looking to streamline your design process, replicate a particular layout, or simply save time, this guide will walk you through it step by step. First things first, start by navigating to the Wix website editor for the website that contains the page you want to copy. Open up your browser and ensure you're logged into your Wix account. Once you've accessed the editor, you're ready for the next step. You'll notice a page icon, usually represented by a stylized page or folded corner icon, located typically in your site menu or the left-hand toolbar. Go ahead and click that page icon. This will bring up a list of your current pages. Find the page you want to duplicate. Once you've located it, you'll also see three little dots, often referred to as the More Options menu, next to the page name. When you click on these dots, a list of actions will appear. From those options, select Copy. This action copies the entire page and all its elements, images, texts, and designs to your device's clipboard. Once you've successfully copied the page, it's time to switch over to the other website where you'd like to paste this copied page. So head over to your chosen Wix website editor. You may need to do this by opening a new tab or navigating through your account dashboard to find the correct site. After opening your other Wix website in the editor, you'll again look for the page icon. Click this icon to open up the page menu on this new site. Now here's where things get slightly different depending on your mouse or device. You'll want to right click anywhere in the page menu. Right clicking usually brings up a context menu with more options. From this context menu you are going to select Paste. This command will initiate the pasting process, adding the copied page from your original website into this other website. And voila. With just these few simple steps, you've copied a page from one website and pasted it into another. You can now view the page and make any necessary adjustments to suit the style and needs of your new site. It's important to note that while this process saves time and ensures consistency between sites, always check for any unique elements or content that may need to be updated, such as contact information or branding specifics. And there you have it. You now know how to effectively copy a page from one Wix website to another, helping to keep your online presence polished and efficient. Happy designing, and I'll see you in the next video.